feel like everybody has a need for expressing themselves creatively. For me, it's always been music. So I've known my friend Julius Passion since 3rd grade, and we've been playing music together for years.
Both me and Nick ended up going to UC Davis. Even though we were both really busy with academics, we were able to meet people who were as passionate as music as we were.
We started calling ourselves Indigo Elephant. At that point, our goal was to come up with like an album.
The main issue was that both me and Nick wanted to pursue higher education. I ended up choosing to go to Illinois for grad school while Nick stayed in Davis for law school.
I just feel like we're in a great place to find people that, share your values and share your interests, like you can collaborate with, and, just like people like you.